Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a family recipe called green beans in a bundle. I'm going to be letting the green beans drain while we fix the sauce. I had fixed a sauce over the top of them. So we're using 4 cans of these whole green beans. You have to use a whole green bean because you're going to get them in little bundles and wrap them with bacon, so they need to be a long bean. That size is better. Some of these are going to be a little short, but we'll let those drain. We've taken our baking dish, and I'm using one. It's about, I'd say 11 by 15. I'm going to put some aluminum foil in it, and then I'm going to spray it. This is what we're going to cook our green beans in the oven. We cook them on a 375-degree oven. Now the sauce that we pour over them, 1½ teaspoons of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 cup of milk. I don't want this to boil very much. I'm going to put it on like a medium heat and just let it melt is all I'm really looking for here. You can put a Catalina dressing, salad dressing over it. Just anything taste that you like, you can do that. Now this is almost melted, the butter and the sugar. It's almost finished. What we're going to do is pour this over our beans after we get them wrapped. Okay, that's ready. Now we're going to take our beans and put them in a bowl so I can get to them when I start wrapping them. And we got to get our bacon out. We have 12 slices of bacon, and we cut them in two, to cut the slices in two. I'm just going to lay them out so I can get to them. Okay, now what we do now is take these, you get about 7 or 8 of these beans. Like I told you, some of them are going to be too small. And you wrap them up with a bacon. Some of these small ones may be kind of hard to get in here. You know, you just have to do the best you can with them. Now we have our green beans rolled up in a bundle and wrapped with a half strip of bacon. And we put them on aluminum foil and sprayed it with cooking spray. And now we're ready to take this sauce that we fixed up ahead of time. We're going to spoon that over the top of this. We're going to bake them in a 375-degree oven, and I have it preheated already. And we're going to cook them about 25-30 minutes. Now these are ready for the oven, and we're going to have Google set our time, and they'll be ready to eat. Our green bean bundles have finished now, and they didn't get quite brown enough on the timing I gave you, so we had to turn on the broiler a little bit. But when you do that, you have to watch them real close because they'll burn. And I let that one a little bit too long, but anyway, I think you'll enjoy these, and they're especially good when women are having luncheons or something like that. I don't think it's kind of time consuming. I doubt if people would do it for every day, but I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as my family does, and I hope I see you in another video. Thank you for watching.